Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamkela kuhlelo lwethu sahlele nentokazi intombi endala ugogo Patricia. Hey, kunzima guys, late. Before I get into the video, I just want to let you know that I'll be going live on YouTube on Saturdays evening around 5, right? 5 till 7 Saturdays. So make sure that if you need any dream interpretations, if you've got any questions, you are most welcome to join my live here on YouTube, right? Because a lot of you are asking questions ngamaphupho, and iphupho, sometimes when you're typing, I'm not understanding you, I'm not getting the energy, not getting the feel, yabo, not connecting, and some things you omitted because you were lazy to type. So I need details for me ukuthi ngicacise ukuthi iphupho la chaza ukuthini, right? So bogogo nabomkhulu sizokhuluma ngamaBhayi. Gogo, mina ngiphupha amaBhayi ahlukahlukene. Gogo, what do I do mangicala mina ngiphupha iBhayi? It's simple. Uma uphupha iBhayi, uyahamba uyolithenga bese uyaliphahlela ulibeke emsamo, ubikela abantu abadala ukuthi usulitholile iBhayi, right? But amaBhayi aza ngendlela ezihlukene. Kwesinye isikhathi ubone ugogo algqoke la on the waist, omunye algqoke la, omunye alenze red head wrap. So it will depend ukuthi wena ulibona iBhayi balenzana or ulibone lingidlalwe emsamo, it will depend. But that's it. Please phahla for iBhayi lakho. After bazokutshela bona mama ngabe bafuna uhambe ngalo emanzini olihlambululo, noma ngabe bafuna, or maybe ugogo wayelifake asentabeni or ukunikeza asentabeni, uzo entabeni or uzo emanzini, kuningi. Listen, follow your dreams, pay attention, don't doubt yourself and your ancestors. Emakhosini lesedi khanya camabo.